Okay guys, this is a chest supported 45-degree rear delt flies. So the important thing here is you can work at 30 degrees of 45, we were going to go at 45 here. So you're setting up your dumbbells in line with your shoulders, so that nice straight line down from his shoulder joint. Dumbbells are straight, elbows are straight. Now he's in a protracted position through his scapula, meaning his scapula is slightly forward. So we're staying in this position for the first variation of this exercise. So it's a protracted rear delt fly, so he reaches away and he keeps that protracted position. Now you'll see he's not reaching through his chest and back down nice and slow. So he's keeping that nice solid position, reaching away. Think about pulling a piece of thread apart, reaching away. So that's a protracted variation of this. You hold that position, squeeze, so he's using his chest. Now if we want to change that slightly in his next rep and we say, okay, retracted, now he's going to retract his scapula, so pulling his scapula back, keeping that retracted position and then reaching away in the same position. So it's a nice straight line. He's not reaching back towards his hips, he's reaching out towards his shoulder. So it's a nice straight line across and we're hitting them rear delts on top here. The scapula is retracted. Now if we were doing the last variation of this, we are putting both together, protracted to start and retracted to finish. So he's protracted and then you see the retraction there as he finishes the exercise. So he lets the scapula naturally move through its natural plane of protraction and retraction. Up and squeeze, control. Really important guys, and a lot of people make a mistake in this exercise. They start to go backwards when they do the movement. Now it's a totally different movement. You can see he's not lighting up his rear delts as much. It's more running into the traps and rhomboids, and that's not what we want to do. We want to make sure we have a nice alignment away from that shoulder joint. See that nice straight line? Think about pulling something apart. So that's a protracted version, retracted version, and both together chest supported dumbbell rear delt fly.